Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is part 11 of our church camp. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share it with all your friends. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and take a visit to that website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there available to help support me. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. So today we are going to be working on these bricks, rocks, and bushes. We are finally going to be getting these knocked out. So we are going to be using some phthalo green, Mars black, titanium white, yellow ochre, cadmium yellow, cadmium red, and some burnt umber. And we are just going to be mixing up a wide variety of colors and just getting in here and getting some details painted in. I used a small number 2 filbert brush for most of it and used a little scrumbler brush to add in some of the shading and stuff like that you see over there on the bushes. And for a lot of these lines, I just mixed up a little bit of phthalo green with some Mars black to get that darkness in there. And I noticed there was a lot of green hues to the darkness, so that's what I did there. And for the brick, I used a little bit of burnt umber and Mars black to get that darkness in there, but I wanted to put a little bit of that green on there as well because it had some moss growing on that brick. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can see it in there. And from there, I just pretty much painted in the details and went back and forth with my lighter and darker hues and got some details painted in there. So moving on to the bushes, initially I used a pretty big cat's tongue brush and I was kind of happy with it, but I think the brush was just a little bit too big. I need to get a smaller one. So then after that, I just switched to using my number 2 filbert. It was just a little bit smaller and a little bit easier to maneuver and get the splotches and colors where I wanted them to be. First thing I did here was to get a little bit of orange tint in there just to help really bring out those dead leaves in there. And then I wanted to go back and forth like always with my lighter and darker hues. First off, I wanted to get some dark in there to really kind of accent some of those dark areas down in the bottom. And then from there, I'll just go back and forth and bring out some of the depth and detail in it. we just move on to the second bush down in the bottom right hand corner, and it's pretty well the exact same process as that first bush was. All right, that's going to do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. All right, this is coming out fantastic. Tune in next episode. We should only have one more to finish this up. Just got to do that light pull. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I will see you in the next episode.